Hi friends, welcome to Malar Karthick channel. Today we are going to see how to make paleo capsicum rice. You can easily make capsicum rice in pan. Let's prepare the capsicum rice. Ingredients for capsicum rice: onion 1 piece, green chili 1 piece, capsicum 2 piece, cauliflower rice 3 cup, garam masala half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, curry leaves. For capsicum rice masala powder, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, jeera half teaspoon, pepper half teaspoon, red chilli 3 piece, walnut 1 handful, badam 1 handful. For seasoning, star anise 1 piece, cinnamon 2 inch, cardamom 3 piece, bay leaves 1 piece, cloves 4 piece, fennel seeds half teaspoon. Coconut oil 2 tablespoon, butter 2 tablespoon. Heat a wide pan on medium heat. Add coriander seeds, pepper. Fry it for few seconds. Then add jeera. Fry it for few seconds. The ingredients turn a light golden color. Remove it and keep it on a separate plate. Now add dry red chilli. Fry it for few seconds. Then remove it and keep it on a separate plate. On medium heat, add walnuts to a pan and keep roasting until the aroma of walnuts come out. Turn off the stove and keep the walnuts in the pan for 5 minutes. Then the walnut will be roasted nicely. Now you can roast badam just like roasting walnuts. Once the ingredients to cool, make a powder. First we have to grind coriander seeds, jeera, pepper, red chilli. We need to grind the nice powder. And after that we need to add walnuts and badam to grind. If we grind walnuts and badam in a mixer like normal grinding, it will come out like a lump. So when you grind badam and walnuts, it should be in a pulse mode. Then you will get a nice powder. Now capsicum masala powder is ready. Keep it aside. Now heat your pan on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, fennel seeds. Fry it on low heat for some seconds or till the spices crackle and become fragrant. Now add the chopped onions and sliced green chili. Mix it very well. On medium flame, stirring often till the onion becomes golden color. Don't burn them. Then add chopped capsicum and mix to combine with the onions. Keep low flame for 3 to 4 minutes until aromatic. We have used red and green capsicum in this recipe, but you can use either green or different colored capsicum according to your choice and availability. Do not overcook the capsicum. Let the capsicum retain their crunchy texture. Now I add turmeric powder and salt. Mix it well. Then add grounded capsicum masala powder and add garam masala to it and mix it well. Then this masala powder evenly blend to the capsicum. This is also brings out the aroma of capsicum and spices. After mixing well like this, we can add cauliflower rice. I have already posted a video how to make this paleo cauliflower rice and I given the link in the description box. If you want, you can check it out. After adding the cauliflower rice, keep the stove on low flame and stir well, otherwise it will stick. This capsicum masala and cauliflower rice, mix it well. If you touch the cauliflower rice will come to the hot stage. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter. It is optional. You can add or leave it. When you adding butter, capsicum rice will make it taste better. Now turn off the stove. Finally, the capsicum rice is ready. Now we can make onion raita. First remove the onion skin and then cut thin slices. Then add half teaspoon of rock salt on the onion and mix it well. Now keep it for 5 minutes. Now after soaking, mash the onion well and filter the onion water. In this way we take onion water fully. We do not get colds, that's why we are doing this way. Add green chilies and curd into squeezed onion. Mix it well. Onion raita is ready. Capsicum rice is ready now. Serve it with onion raita and enjoy. Also, do try this paleo capsicum rice recipe at your home. Do share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe Malar Karthick channel and also click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.